your problems taken care of before they become a problem for you. TCB. Taking care of business. Taking care of your business.
Hello, today's video is a how-to change and reset Active Directory passwords. From Server Manager dashboard, click Tools, then Active Directory Users and Computers. Locate your user's organizational unit, then the user. To reset or change a password, right-click the user, click Reset Password, enter password and confirm password. Here you have the option for user to change at next logon. This is not recommended for remote desktop users. Click OK. To manage other password options, double or right-click the user, click Properties, and select Account tab. There are several options. The most common are user must change password at next logon, user cannot change password, and password never expires. After making changes, click Apply, then OK. Thank you for watching.